good afternoon everyone. So this is my code in computer programming. So basahin natin ang instruction dito. Dahil hindi ko na in-input sa code, so babasahin ko na lang guys. So number one, create a Python code that requires an if-else statement and for a loop to generate a right triangle uh, made of an asterisk with a height of 10. The program asks the user whether they want to print that triangle. If they enter yes, it prints the triangle using for a loop. Otherwise, it prints a message and exits. So, eto guys. So, F5 natin, di ba guys? Yan. F5 natin. Yan. So, type tayo ng yes. Type natin yung yes. Would you like to print the triangle? So, yes. So, nag-print guys. So, kunwari, ulitin natin. F5 ulit natin, run ulit natin. So, kapag sinabing no, yan. Mag-i-exit siya guys. Ito yung lalabas. Yan guys. Kapag tinype natin na no. So, proceed tayo sa code number 2. So, babasahin ko ulit yung instruction. Create a Python code that combines the program of number 1 and test 1's number 6 with login if else that could check if the user wants to run program after using it for the first time. So, ang gagamitin nating code is yung nag-quiz namin nung Wednesday. Doon tayo gagamit ng code. Gagamitin natin yung quiz natin nung Wednesday. Sa number 6, i-input natin dito. So, then, after that, i-input natin dito. Kukunin din natin yung code number 1 natin sa quiz. Dito. Kukunin, copy-paste na lang natin dito. So, yan. As you can see guys. Pero, ang twist nito is lalagyan mo ng username tsaka password. Parang ganyan. Yan. Kaya titignan natin may username at password. So, try natin i-run to guys. Yan. So, ang username ko is a Ford. So, password natin is Glenn. So, anong gusto mong i-run na program? Sabi. Tapos dito, type natin triangle. Yan. Enter natin. Yes. Ayan. Ay, mali pala. Mali. Yes sir yung nilagay ko. My bad. Ulit. So, username natin is Ford. Tapos, password natin is Glenn. So, anong gusto mong run? Triangle. So, mali pa spelling ng triangle ko. My bad. Again. Malala na ako guys. Sabog na ako eh. Mag-apon ako nagko-code eh. Username natin is Ford, diba? Tapos, Glenn. Tapos, triangle. Yan, triangle. After that, tatype natin yes sir. Yan. Create siya ng right triangle. So, ulitin natin. Sabi niya, yes sir. Tapos anong gusto mong program? Type tayo looping. Loop. Type natin yung loop. Yan. Pili tayo ng anong number guys. Basta numero. Kunwari, 1, 1, 1, 1 lahat. Yan. Looping. So, kung hindi mo na uulitin, wala. Type na lang natin, wala. Kunwari, wala. Yan, lahat. Yan. Yan. Magkoka siya. Magmamali na siya. Mali na. Ayan as you can see naman, tinype natin mali na agad. Lumalabas. Pag ayaw mo nang i-run. So, proceed tayo sa number 3 guys. Basahin ulit natin tong instruction. Write a Python program that asks the user, do you want to print a countdown? Yes or no? If the user enters yes, the program should use for a loop print from 10 down to 1. If the user enters no, the program should simplify print maybe next time and exit. Sabi niya. So, yan. So, lagay natin. Countdown tayo, baby. 'Di ba? Sabi niya. So, ayan. So, sabihin natin, yes. Yes. Ay. Ay, mali, mali, mali. Sasabihin natin yan, no? Yes. Yes. Opo. Yes, baby. Yan. Yan. Okay. From 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yan yung countdown niya. Yan. Tas yun, okay, baby. Tas kapag sinabi natin wag yan, nagra-run na siya, guys. Yan, as you can see, countdown na siya. So, proceed tayo sa next. Proceed tayo sa next coding. So, number 4, last code. Ito yung mahirap eh. Maduguto na code. So, basahin natin yung instruction. Create me a 10 nested if else statement game that would depend on the user's decision. It should have at least 35 minimum line of code. So, yan. Irarun natin to, guys. F5. So, you enter a haunted house. The door is slammed shut behind you. You see a staircase in the hallway. So, try natin upstairs. Type natin upstairs. Upstairs. Yan. Sabi niya, you walk down the hallway and hear noises. Do you want height to investigate? So, type natin investigate. Investigate. Yan. So, you investigate and find a locked door. So, basically, lock yung door, di ba? So, do you knock or force it? So, type natin force. Yan. The door creaks out, revealing a secret room. Yun. Na-reveal na yung secret room, guys. Yun. Tapos na. Tapos na yung laro. Nakita mo na may secret room. Enter natin. Oh, di ba? Yan. Ayun na. Tapos na, guys. So, thank you for listening. This is my code in, again, this is my code in computer programming and fundamentals 1. So, it hopes that helps you guys for watching this code. Thank you very much. And good afternoon to everyone.